My name is Dewey. Tattoo, my Instagram is Empire Tattoo Dewey, and it's a 62 Biscayne.
So, bro, how long have you had this car?
I've owned this car 30 years. 30 years, man. It's the third time I've restored it.
Let me tell you, I know for a fact. How long you been married? Because you can't have commitment issues with a car that's 30 years.
I've been married 33 years.
33
yeah,
years,
man,
because
that's
dude,
right, that's right.
to hold on to a car, you know.
Well, the story on this car is I went to buy my wife a 62 Nova. I saved up for 3 years. I had the money, I left. Her dad's best friend said, hey, I see a 62 Biscayne like you've been wanting. It came out on Auto Trader today. Let's go look at them all. No, man, I gotta buy her Nova. I promised her this Nova. We went and looked at it. I drove home and this pulled up the driveway. She goes, that ain't no 62 Nova. Well, it's a 62 Biscayne.
Dude, 30, I gotta give you props,
Hell
bro,
yeah,
because
man.
to hold on to something, you know,
man.
You get that itch, and then after a while, someone offers to buy it, or you just sell it because you get unmotivated to hold on to it for 30 years.
Yeah, like I said, it's the third time I restored it. First time, me and Fred DiVincenzo, we sueded it dark green, and it's been everything, but this is the last time I literally took every bumper off. We've done everything.
That's it,
yeah.
dude. Bro, the car looks cherry. I love the color on it. You got the
and that
chrome.
Tropical Glitz up there, you know that.
Oh yeah, I saw that, bro. So who painted the car for you?
So Joe Lopez in Hemet painted the body for me. I did all the body work. He painted it for me, and then obviously Edog hooked that roof up.
Dude, it looks so true. Now, these Biscaynes came with the 6-in-line.
Yeah, straight 6, 235 straight 6 with a 3 on the tree. And now it's a 350 combo.
Nice, bro.
With the automatic 350 trans. And
what do you got in the trunk, bro? What's your lay in place setup on this one?
Man, you got to see that. Steven Ruano just made me the hydraulic setup. I just put it in. This guy knows his stuff, man. All old school.
Oh, you got aviation, dude.
That's right.
With the accumulators and the whole 9 yards.
Yeah. Steven put the Whitakers on there. The dumps, everything is handmade by him. And I told him where I wanted to put it, and he made the whole setup for me to set exactly where I want. I told him how I wanted to put a battery on each side and turn it to 24 volt. Roop from Genocide helped me. For the last month, me and Roop have been working on this thing nonstop, and Billy Cruel from Genocide just nonstop to get these hydraulics done for this show.
Dude, it's awesome that people like yourself are like just finding these parts, keeping them still going, you know what I'm saying?
Lucky enough to meet Steven, man. He made that whole setup for me. I explained what I wanted, and he literally made that all old school setup for me. And I can't thank Roop enough, man.
Roop is a G, bro.
Yeah, man. Roop, he made the mounts. We put them on, everything's perfect. Yeah, he's got the Genocide G in there. I just haven't put the yellow behind it yet. I got to thank Roop, man, and Billy Cruel, man. All of us, we worked our asses off for the last 4 weeks. Yeah, 4 weeks, man. That thing, I've been laying under this car. The back of my head is raw from laying on the ground for so many weeks.
Spot and everything.
Yeah, and let me tell you, but driving it, it drives better. I had airbags for 28 years. This thing rides better with hydraulics than airbags. I would have lost money if I bet on that one.
That is crazy,
yeah.
bro.